Don't miss these videos because I guarantee that I will give you some useful facts you should know about virgin hair Vietnam reviews. Hi friends, I'm Justin, sales manager of Hair Factory. Today, I'm coming back with a very hot topics about virgin hair Vietnam reviews. First of all, I will go with virgin hair Vietnam reviews about qualities. Anyone who uses hair extension wants to buy the best quality hair extensions. However, the number of high quality hair extension is not too much. Currently, the high quality hair extension on the market is Vietnamese virgin hair. According to Virgin Hair Vietnam reviews, Vietnamese virgin hair are hair extension cut from a single Vietnamese woman. Therefore, the texture of the hair will be the same, the qualities of the hair will be uniform. If you wonder why Virgin Hair Vietnamese review highly appreciate Vietnamese virgin hair, this is because the source of virgin Vietnamese hair is extremely guaranteed. These hair factories will collect the hair of women who live in high mountains where there is not too much sunlight. In addition, their hair has never been exposed to chemical, so it will be extremely healthy. Almost all hair experts and people who have used Vietnamese virgin hair are satisfied with the qualities of this hair type. However, high-quality hair extensions often come with a high price tag. When compared to other high-end hair extensions, the price of Vietnamese virgin hair is extremely reasonable with the qualities. The second thing you should pay attention to is style and color. When using hair extensions, users mostly want to dye their hair in bright color or create complex hairstyle. However, depending on the qualities of each hair type, you can do this or not. For Vietnamese virgin hair, according to Virgin Hair Vietnamese review, you can completely bleach and dye your hair into color like 68. This is because the hair are cut from a single person, so that the texture of the hair is guaranteed. You can dye bleach without fear of dry damage or uneven hair. About styling, for Vietnamese human hair, which is virgin, you can comfortably style with heat. You can even try out the integral hairstyle you love. Styling Vietnamese virgin hair will not negatively affect the qualities of your hair extensions. Although according to Virgin Hair Vietnam reviews, most of the users are satisfied with the dyeing and styling of Vietnamese virgin hair, you still need to pay attention to daily hair care. If you pay attention to hair care, the life expectancies of virgin Vietnamese hair can extend even twice. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I hope that through this video you can get knowledge about virgin hair review. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'm Justin, sales manager of Hair Factory, and I will be back for more videos on Hair Factory Men's Vietnam Hair YouTube channel. Thank you and see you again.